I seem to be a bit lost. What planet is this? Earth? Oh man, I am way off track. I need to get back to the planet Zurgot. Can you help me? Great! Hop in my spaceship. We're on our way. We'll just need to answer some musical literacy questions to figure out where to go. Uh-oh! We're getting too close to the sun! Quick, click on the note to dodge the fireballs! Ah! Whoa, that was a close one. Which way should we go next? Oh no! A meteor shower! Blast away the meteors by selecting the number of beats for the note shown. Aha! I see the damage. It looks like it's up pretty high. What can we use to get up there? Great job! Next. Space pirates! Pick the number that matched the sum of the equation on the mothership. Home at last. Thank you so much for getting me here. I have an extra spaceship here that will take you back to Earth.